Welcome back, educational technology enthusiasts. Today, we are diving deep into the world of Chrome extensions, specifically curated for students like yourselves. Whether you are diving into research, collaborating on projects, or just trying to streamline your digital learning experience, these 5 extensions are here to make your life easier. First up, we have Postlight Reader. Ever find yourself drowning in a sea of distracting ads while trying to focus on your research? Say no more. Say, for example, you want to read this article on climate actions. If you look around for a second, you'll notice a lot of distracting content that will not allow you to focus on the main content. However, if you enable Postlight Reader extension on this web page, Postlight Reader immediately eliminates ads and distractions and places the text into a format that mirrors an e-reader. If you go under the setting, you can customize text size and font, and whether the text appears in light or dark mode for viewing comfort. For students doing research online, this extension is helpful by providing an opportunity to focus on the text in front of them and not the distracting ads that fill so many web pages. Next on our list is Google Dictionary. It is like having a personal dictionary at your fingertips. This extension was created and is managed by Google. When enabled, students can double-click a word, for example, climate, within the browser and see the definition in a pop-up bubble. Alternatively, you can select word, scroll to your top right and click on the Google Dictionary extension. You can also listen to the pronunciation of the word by clicking on this icon. Within the bubble, there is a Google Dictionary option, which opens a new page with a Google search for the word that will often include additional definition sentences or relevant web pages. Within extension options, an option exists to translate words into a variety of language options as well. Need help staying focused while reading online? Look no further than Visor. Visor is an excellent option for students looking for support in tracking text as they read. When activated, it emphasizes one line or several lines of text at a time while darkening the rest of the screen. You can use your cursor to move the area of focus as you read. From here, you can adjust the length of the focus, how bright you want it to be, colors, depending on your preference. To turn off, click here. For our language learners, Google Translate is a game changer. But first, you need to choose your preferred language. To do that, click on Google Translate extension icon on the top right. Click Extension Options. Select the language you want to translate to. For this example, let's choose French and click Save. Now, if you select a sentence and click on the extension icon, it will immediately translate the sentence from English to your preferred language, in this example, French. To translate this entire web page into French with a single click, click French. That will automatically translate the entire web page into French. There's so many language options that you can choose from. For example, Spanish. Then if you want to go back to English, you have that option as well. Not least, we have OpenDyslexic for Chrome. Designed with dyslexic users in mind, when enabled, this extension transforms website fonts, as you can see, to improve readability for users with dyslexia. It can be managed through the extension menu in Chrome settings. The font has options for regular, bold, and italic. The extension is regularly updated based on feedback from dyslexic users, and it changes the font on website and in Google Drive to make reading easier for those with dyslexia. And there you have it, folks. 5 student-tested Chrome extension to supercharge your learning journey. Remember, when downloading extensions, always prioritize your privacy and security. Until next time, happy browsing.